The 01314 code in a Skoda or Volkswagen vehicle means that some system in your car can't connect to the ECU for some reason. And while the reason for this may actually be a broken wire or a bad connector almost anywhere in the system, I will tell you about a very common reason for this problem. You may know that VAG cars usually have a lot of additional functions that you can activate using a good diagnostic software. Skoda hides a lot of functions in lower trims to make you pay for higher trims, but you can cheat them a bit and activate them for free. And one of these functions is the corner brake control, or CBC, also called ESBS in some types of software. There are tons of different instructions on how you can activate it easily, but the problem is that a lot of ESP control units just don't have this function, especially in Skoda vehicles. And when you do activate this CBC feature, you will then see the 01314 trouble code when scanning your vehicle for errors. So just deactivate the CBC feature, then clear the codes with the scanner you've been using for this, and then shut off the vehicle, unplug the scanner, and let it sit for several minutes. Then turn the car on, plug in the scanner, and make sure that the error is gone. If it still sits there, the problem is very likely with the wiring. I've seen the throttle body connector causing this fault, ABS sensor wire, ABS module connector, etc. So basically, maybe anything, but fortunately, you will most likely have other codes that will help you identify the reason for the 01314 code in such cases.